Channel. So good to have you, and thanks for joining me today on this channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the moringa hairspray for a healthy hair. You guys know that when it comes to moringa, that I am a huge fan of moringa because of the numerous benefits this particular plant has, especially when it comes to our health and our overall hair care. Okay, please do well to check my other videos on moringa, different ways on how to make the moringa hair mask for your hair growth, how to make the moringa tea for hair growth, and also how to make the moringa juice all for your hair growth and for your general well-being as well. If today is the first time of seeing my videos, you are welcome. Do well to subscribe, and when you do, click the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button so that you will always be notified anytime a new and interesting video drops in this channel. Okay, and do not forget to give this video a huge like if you find it helpful and informative. And if you have any you want to ask me for the questions on things you think that I didn't capture while I was doing this video, please do well to do that in the comment section down below. Over to the theater, can I call that theater? So we're just gonna move over to the drawing board. Yeah, I think that is the right word. So we're just gonna move over to the drawing board, where I'm going to show you how you're gonna make this moringa hairspray if you crave for a healthy hair like mine. Okay, to make this treatment, of course you'll be needing the moringa powder, and this is my moringa powder that I actually got in a shop here. And you already know that moringa has a lot of benefits both to the skin and to the hair, to the human health generally, because of the antioxidant. We'll be needing the vitamin E that we're going to use to mix to this hairspray that will actually improve your hair health. If you're having itchy scalp, you're having dandruff, the antioxidant properties in this vitamin E oil will actually help take care of that aspect, including the combining it with the moringa. You could actually get this in any pharmacy close to you. I'm going to be scooping just 2 teaspoons of this moringa powder into my blender cup. Of course, you can actually make more than this depending on the quantity that you need. Is my warm water. I think using warm water for this will actually help absorbs very well. It absorbs very well into the moringa powder with the warm water. So I'm gonna be adding warm water to it, okay, so that I'll be able to get the juice out. So another cup of water to it, and I'll just continue to so after mixing this, you're just going to allow it until it is fully settle and you see that it is fully settled before you can actually sieve it. So let's just wait for it to settle, and once it settles, I'm just going to show you how you could actually sieve this and when you're going to add your vitamin E. Okay, so just keep watching. If you like this video, do not forget to like. If you find this video informative and helpful in any way, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Okay, let's just wait for it to completely settle. So there you can see that the moringa powder is actually separating, meaning a whole lot have actually settled inside. So now is the time for us to sieve our moringa juice hairspray. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this process gently. Okay, okay, so it's better not to add your spoon because you wouldn't want all this to go into it. So just gently. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little more because I still have some left. You guys always accuse me that I usually waste this particular part, which is actually the most precious of all of it, but I think you need to check my video, need to check my channel so that you could actually see what I use most of, especially this paste for, which I use them for my facial scrub, I use them for my body scrub, and I also use it as a hair mat. The videos that I have already done in my channel already. Okay, so I'm just gonna transfer this into my blender cup, and I'm going to leave the remaining one in my fridge, and I'll use it to do a full body scrub. So let me know if you want to see me use this moringa paste as a full body scrub, and I'm just gonna do the video for you. Okay, and after doing that, I have here my spray or split bottle, which I'm going to be turning this thing inside. But before that, it's time for us to go in with our vitamin E oil. Okay, so just a drop of it. Vitamin E oil actually help boost hair growth as well. So if you are having issues with hair falls, you can need to use the vitamin E oil as well. So if you don't want to add it to your water like this, you could actually apply it directly on your scalp. Okay, so that being done, it is time for us to transfer this into our spray bottle. Okay, so I'm just okay, so that's being done. It's time for me to cover this all up and make sure you shake it generously. So once you shake it generously, it is time for you to spray it on your hair. So don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to do that. See, it's actually very light, so you could actually prepare as much as you want, but make sure you always leave it in the, keep it refrigerated. If not, it's gonna go bad because it is 100% natural. It doesn't have any preservatives. Okay, so it's on the drawing board or the workshop or the theater how to prepare this moringa hairspray for your hair. So let me just show you usually what I do. Oh, come out. Okay, it's coming out now. Okay, just going to use this and spray it on your hair anytime your hair feels dry. And if you find this video informative, please do not forget to give your girl a huge like, okay? And if you think that there are things that I didn't capture in this video, please kindly drop your questions in the comment section down below, because I will be waiting for you. And what are you even waiting for if you haven't subscribed to my channel? Please click the red subscribe button and the bell that is just right beside it, so that you will always be notified anytime a new video drops on this channel. Okay, and until another time when I come your way, my name is Francis, and don't forget, I am passionate about the natural hair and I love moringa. So bye, catch you, go try it out and let me know.